Shopify versus PrestaShop, which is better for dropshipping? Welcome to the video. Today, we're diving into a comparison of Shopify and PrestaShop to help you decide which platform is the better choice for your dropshipping business. Links to both platforms are provided in the description so you can check them out directly. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify is a fully hosted platform, making it incredibly easy to set up and manage an online store. This all-in-one solution is perfect for beginners and those who prefer a streamlined experience. Shopify takes care of the technical aspects like hosting, security, and updates, so you can focus on running your business. It offers a wide range of professional templates, a robust app store with dropshipping integrations like Oberlo, and excellent customer support. Shopify's user-friendly interface, along with its built-in tools for inventory management, payment processing, and shipping, makes it a top choice for those who want to get started quickly and efficiently. Now, let's look at PrestaShop. Unlike Shopify, PrestaShop is an open-source platform, meaning you have full control over every aspect of your store. It's ideal for those who want to customize their store extensively and are comfortable with a bit of technical work. PrestaShop is free to download, but you'll need to handle your own hosting, security, and maintenance. This gives you flexibility, but also requires more effort to manage. PrestaShop offers a wide range of modules and themes, many of which are specifically tailored for dropshipping. It also integrates well with various payment gateways and shipping carriers, providing a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. So, which one is better for dropshipping? If you're new to e-commerce or want a hassle-free setup, Shopify is the way to go. Its ease of use, reliability, and dropshipping-friendly features make it a strong contender for anyone looking to start quickly without getting bogged down in technical details. However, if you're someone who wants more control over your store's customization and doesn't mind investing the time to learn the ropes, PrestaShop could be the better choice. It's more flexible and can be more cost-effective in the long run, but it does require a higher level of involvement. In conclusion, your choice between Shopify and PrestaShop will depend on your specific needs and experience level. If you prioritize simplicity and support, Shopify is likely the better option. If you value customization and control, PrestaShop is worth considering. Be sure to explore the links in the description to find the right fit for your dropshipping business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce insights.